Here's an easy recipe for making pizza dough for the Ninja Woodfire Oven. So 500 grams of plain flour in your mixing bowl, and a teaspoon of salt and 300 to 330 mils of warm water. Add a teaspoon of dried active yeast. I'm using Allinson's. Give that a whisk and let that sit for a minute. Then pour it into the flour. Attach your dough hook on your mixer and get that going for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want it to look nice and smooth and shiny. Meanwhile, you're going to coat another bowl with some oil. I used olive oil and then used a little bit of that to help get the dough off the dough hook. And then you're going to transfer that dough into that bowl, let it get a little bit coated in the oil, and then cover tightly with some cling film. I put mine in the fridge overnight, and look at that, it doubled in size. But if you want it more quickly, then you can pop it into a warm area for about 4 hours and you'll get the same result. I then divided this into 4, ready to make 4 pizzas, 1 for each of us. And then getting the Ninja oven all fired up with the wood fire pellets, getting it to optimum heat, and start making your pizza. I kept it simple, just trying to get that pizza shape, flipping it back and forth, covering it with some tomato sauce and then mozzarella, a little bit of oregano. Open up the oven, in it goes, and it's done in 3 minutes. Seriously, it is so quick and the pizzas are amazing. Here it is.